Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today we wanted to do a video for you on what we wear out here on the homestead. Now we're in East Texas and that's got a certain climate. Stick with us and see what we found is the most comfortable when working outside. Okay, so we are here in East Texas. We have long, very hot summers. Now I've lived in two other places, Washington, D.C., and I was born and raised in Michigan, and I know summers up there can get really hot as well, although they're much shorter. And I believe and feel that the sun is more intense down here. And if you live further south than me, obviously the sun's going to be even more intense. And we want to keep the sun off us. That's the main point, all right? So a little bit of sun is good for you, but too much, you'll get potentially skin cancer. And my father did, working in Michigan every summer outside in the garden. He burnt his neck a lot, and he never put anything on his neck. And that's important. He got skin cancers on his neck. So what we wear out here is a bandana to cover our neck. Now we believe this is incredibly important. I wouldn't go without it. Because that was the one spot that gets really burnt up really quick. All right, so let's get on to the main portion of what we wear here. Does this look familiar? That's right. This is a fishing shirt. Now fishing equipment and shirt, well, fishing attire I should say, you have a lot of venting on it. It's very breathable material. It's very light. And it dries off incredibly quick, and additionally, because it's got this venting in it, the way it's designed, it's very movable. So when you're out here and you're doing a lot of work, you don't have very tight fitting clothing on. This moves with you, and it's very flexible. And being so light, it's keeping that sun right off you, and it's breathing really well. So we do not really sweat in this, and if we do, it dries off super fast. The second part of the equation are the pants, of course. And these lightweight fishing pants are amazing. They are, like I said, really lightweight, so you can move in them. I have them pretty baggy. I bought them a little bit big, and I think that's a good thing too, because I can really move in them out here. And what's really neat about them is, check this out. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not. These pockets have an extra piece of material here where you clip in your tools, or you put your tools in your pocket. A lot of fishermen do that, and I've had these for 2 years, and there isn't one tiny little bit of wear here from taking my knives in and out of my pocket, or my tools in and out of my pockets, whatever tools I have that clip on, multiple times per day. So these are really cool too. They're like a painter style pant, so they've got extra pockets on them. They're very deep pockets. I can carry a lot on them. But what's cool about these shirts too is there's areas to clip things to it, and these pockets are expandable. They're very large. They hold a lot, and they secure tightly with this Velcro. So that's what we wear out here to keep the sun off us. Now, in terms of headwear, we have several different hats that we wear out here. I do recommend a hat. I'm not going to show you all the hats that we have. You know, however I feel during the day is what I put on. Sometimes you see me in these videos with a cowboy hat. Most of the time you see me with a ball cap, my favorite hat. Sometimes I do wear an Aussie style military hat where you can bring the sides up and snap them on top, or take them down to shade your neck. And that's a good, nice advantage of a cowboy hat as well, is shading of your neck and the sides of your head, shading of your ears, which can get burnt really easily. And also we have a boonie style, American military boonie style cap that we wear sometimes. So hat wear is kind of your preference. A lot of those I have breathe nice. The ball caps probably breathe the best. And I highly recommend getting yourself some fishing gear, some fishing shirts, some fishing pants to work outside. It works the best for us, and we are very, very comfortable out here in the hot sun in a long sleeve and long pants. I hope this helps. I hope if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And let me know, hey, in your neck of the woods, if you wear something different, that's cool. Give our stuff a try. Maybe you might like it a little bit better. Who knows? But anyway, if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. We're doing videos here every week. We got a new video every Tuesday. And if you are a subscriber and you're watching the video and you haven't yet hit that little notification bell, do that, because it tells you when we have a new video that pops out. Usually YouTube doesn't, if you're just a regular subscriber without hitting that bell, they don't send you updates to let you know that our new video is out during the week. So anyway, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video,